What's good, faithful fam? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Asia, and I'm back with another hair review. And you guys know I don't just wear the hair, I review the hair. So today's review is coming just in time for spring and summer. This is a lightweight unit, and you know guys, I'm going to put it through my faithful test to see if it's worth your coins. So if you want to learn more about this unit, make sure you keep watching. This video is sponsored by OMGHerHair. This is their 12-inch 150% glueless lace unit. You will get about 4 inches of parting space in the front, 2 combs in the front as well as 1 in the back, along with an adjustable elastic strap. It also comes with an extra band if you would like to sew it in. So this is what the hair looks like straight out the box. As you can see, it has a lot of beautiful waves, and this unit does come pre-plucked, and this is what this looks like. I'm going to go ahead and cut some baby hairs to put on this unit, and this is the way I prefer to do that. I just use an eyebrow razor and my baby hair brush along with my favorite mousse, and I just use that to lay the hair down. I prefer to do that while the wig is on the mannequin head before I put it on, because it's a lot easier to style. And guys, as always, anything used in this video will be listed in the description box down below. Next, I'm going to wrap the hair with these black rapid strips. I wrapped it along the front since I laid the baby hair there, and along the top as well, just to help the wig lay flat on top. Then I'm going to go ahead and cut the lace off this wig. And guys, as always, you know you want to try to cut the lace as close to the hairline without cutting the hair. And guys, your girl's looking bald again. If you haven't seen my bald cap tutorial, don't worry, I'll have it at the end of this video. Okay dolls, so this is what it looks like after I put it on, and as you can see, this wig is already popping. I'm going to turn around and let you guys see the back of this unit, and I'm going to give you a close-up of this hairline. Now guys, you can always add some makeup to the inside of this wig to help this blend even further, but I think it looks pretty good so far. I forgot to show you what this lace looks like, and as you can see, it blends pretty well with my skin. And for my lighter complected sisters, don't worry, it will still blend with your skin as well. So dolls, this is what it looks like once I put the wig on. As you can see, I have not glued or gelled it down because I am going to take it off, because I am going to give it a straighten test for you guys. But I wanted to give you the specs real quick on this unit. This here is from OMGHerHair, and right now they are having their biggest spring sale, so they have 30% off on the wig, and I do have a $10 off coupon code for you guys. So if you use that along with the current spring sale that they have running, you could get this unit for around $100. This is a 12-inch Indian Remy hair, and as you see, this unit comes pre-plucked and bleached, and it is glueless and ready to apply on your head. However, if you do want to gel or glue it down, you can do so. Because it lays so well, you really just would probably only need to do the side tabs, and it will lay perfectly fine without having to spray or gel the middle. Now, I have reviewed hair from this vendor before. You guys were in love with their Kinky straight units, and this is a perfect unit for the summertime. It's easy, it's lightweight. You guys know I typically like my hair to be pretty full. This is only 150% density, so it's not as thick as I typically would like my units to be. However, during the spring and the summertime, you do kind of appreciate having a lightweight unit, because as you know, having too much hair on your head could get really hot. So dolls, I'm going to go test it really quickly. I'm going to take this off and test to see how it straightens, and then I'm also going to test to see if the curls come back. Okay, now I'm reluctantly straightening this unit because I am kind of nervous if these waves do not come back. But I love to do this for you guys so you know what you're purchasing. And I'm using my favorite flat iron, and it flat irons the hair pretty well and fast, I might add. I decided to bump the ends of this unit, and I'm using this curling iron that actually comes with 5 different barrels, so I always have a perfect curl for every occasion. Okay dolls, it's time for the moment of truth. Will the waves come back? So I'm spraying the hair down with some water, and it does require a lot of manipulation because initially the hair was not reverting back. So I decided to add some of my Cantu Shea Butter leave-in conditioner, and I scrunched the ends a little bit, and this is what it looks like. I let this air dry overnight, and this is the final look. While the waves are a little bit more relaxed, it still maintained its wave pattern. So dolls, if you're interested in purchasing this unit, I'll have all the information in the description box down below. Before we leave, I did pick a name for the unit I reviewed last week, and the new name as well as the person who submitted that comment will be listed right here. You know what time it is. Let's name this beauty. What are we gonna call her? I think she's pretty and lightweight, and she's very versatile. And I love the fact that we could put her on and go, and she's super beginner friendly. So go ahead and submit your name suggestions in the comment section down below. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the family. And make sure you hit your notification bell as well so you know when I launch my videos. So dolls, as always in parting, you guys stay blessed. And if it be God's will, I'll see you in my next video. Take care now.